Hi everyone and welcome back to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm making sour porridge. Mielie meal is a staple in South African homes, but taking it back to our ancestors, they used to actually have sour milk as a source of nourishment before they go and work on the sugarcane fields. Sour porridge is full of probiotics. It's also used for our prayer time, porridge prayers, and I hope you enjoy my recipe. The first step is a very important step, and that's all about the fermentation process. We're going to add our maize meal to our water and let it ferment for approximately 5 to 7 days. If your weather is warmer, you can let it ferment for less. If it's a cold week, then you may need extra time. Once it's fermented, you'll find that it has some foam or froth or that excess water on top. You can dispose of that water and then set it aside. We're now ready to start cooking. So originally I added 2 cups of mielie meal to 3 cups of water. I'm now adding approximately a liter of boiling water. I've removed any excess water from my mielie meal, so that's what it looks like. I'm now going to add some salt to my boiling water. And you can turn down your temperature as well. Adding my mielie meal, I prefer to spoon it into the water. So after every spoonful, I mix it into the water. And I feel like using this method, there are definitely almost 0 lumps. And they shouldn't be, because you're using a lot of liquid compared to your mielie meal. And if you want to drop all of your mielie meal into the boiling water in one go, you can also do that, especially if your quantity is far more than what I'm using today. And then to ensure that you don't have any lumps at all and it's lovely and smooth and silky, you can then proceed to whisk your porridge, and that will remove any lumps while it's cooking. I'm going to use a whisk now as well. But as you can see, the consistency of the porridge is very smooth and silky. I'm now going to use the whisk just to ensure that there are no lumps at all. And this also makes it very easy to mix your porridge while it's cooking. And you need to cook for approximately 20 minutes on a medium heat. Try to mix your porridge consistently. You can then decide if you want to add additional boiling water. Depending on how you'd like your porridge, the consistency, you want it to be very runny, very smooth, drinkable in a cup. It's up to you. I've added a little bit more boiling water. I'm going to proceed to mix with my whisk, and in about 20 to 25 minutes I will be done. And remember, if you're reheating as well, you might need to add water, as it will start to thicken. So I'm nearing the end of my cooking time. It's now approximately 20 to 25 minutes. As you can see, the porridge is much thicker. My pot is full. I'm very happy with the consistency. I'm doing a final mix with the whisk. Look how beautiful that is. Ready to pour into your cup. And now you can decide if you are serving immediately. You can drizzle some sour milk into the pot itself and top up with some green onions and onions. Alternatively, you can add it to your cup. So I'm going to do a little bit of both because I'm going to be serving everything immediately. That was the sour milk. This is now my spring onions and onions, and you can add shallots or chives, whatever you have available. So I don't know about you, but I love having a cup full and having it sprinkled on top, and then while I'm drinking my porridge, I take a bite into an onion or a spring onion. It's really, really delicious. So here's my cup as well. I'm just adding a drizzle of sour milk. That's my mass. And I'm topping up with some spring onions and onions. And you can dice them up finely. So it's best served with some mixed vegetable curry, pumpkin curry, and even cabbage curry. It tastes divine. The combination is out of this world. From my younger days, I could have a couple cups of porridge. So tasty. There's so many ways of enjoying it. I used to add my mixed veg and my cabbage on top. Yum. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and as usual, all the ingredients used, including the quantities, will be in the drop-down description below. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always welcome. Lots of love and blessings to you. I am Selena. I hope you have a beautiful day.